Let's talk about Crocs as it relates to post surgical foot care, specifically related to knee surgery and total knee replacement. Now, I'm a huge advocate of wearing Crocs after a total knee replacement for the first 2 to 4 weeks while you're recovering. My name's Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and the reason why I like this shoe so much is because, one, it allows room for the foot to swell. We know following a total knee replacement or really any knee surgery, you're going to have episodes of swelling within the feet. We want something that's going to give your foot room to swell. It's going to protect the bottom of your foot if you're stepping on transitions from carpet to tile or any of those little tack strips that we have around the house. The other reason why I love this so much is because if there is a situation where you have post-surgical drainage, bleeding, any kind of body fluids that might contaminate a normal canvas shoe or leather shoe, Crocs are so indestructible. You could literally just throw them in the washing machine. You can disinfect them. You can do a lot of things to clean this and keep a sanitary environment. These are also great options if you have a slippery floor. Maybe the floor gets wet. Maybe you're going to take a shower or you're trying to arrange a sponge bath to keep the incision dry. Wearing a pair of Crocs will help you reduce chances of slippage, falling, things like that. Now, of course, Crocs have two modes. They have clog and sport mode. I do recommend you put the heel strap around just to help keep the shoe secure on your foot. But this is one of my favorite post-surgical shoes. When you're coming home from the hospital, you're not ready to get into standard footwear yet. This is a great option.